Brother, can I tell you something I wish someone told me earlier? Life doesn't ruin us in one big moment. It ruins us slowly in small habits. You don't notice it until you feel stuck. Just one more scroll, just one more snack, just one more distraction. And slowly you lose self-control. And my dear, if you lose control, you lose yourself. That's why Ramadan is not about starving. It is 30 days of training your mind, not just to your stomach. You practice saying no, not because you can't, but because you choose to. And that's where peace comes from. Not from having more, but from needing less. At sunset, you break the fasting with the people you love. So, brother, don't treat Ramadan like a hard month. Treat it like a rest. Brother, if this reminded you of someone you care about,